Hello friends, here is PNB Auto Parts. I'm Ian Guo. Today we have a customization for the customers the carbon fiber steering wheels. Let's show you. This steering wheels is suitable for the Audi A4 or S4, A5 or S5, B9, B9.5. If your car is this model, you can choose this. First, you can see we have do the real carbon on the top and the bottom. The real carbon and we put the RS baggage in here. You also can try the S baggage, and the both sides we have do the black screws in the sides. You also can choose other colors like the red, white, black or other colors in the screws. And another part about the R8 start button. And this carbon fiber steering wheel is with the heating. If your car has the heating function, you can choose the with heating styles. But if your car don't have the heating, you also can engross it. And the start button, you can see the R8 start button, 2 button, and you will use the jumper lines to install your original car's start button and to use it. And another part about the Lamborghini style the pedal shifter, you can see we have installed it in here, the pedal shifter, and we have do the red plus, and here the red color. You also can try the black or white color and other colors. And another thing about the airbag and the steering wheels, you can use your original car airbag and the steering wheel button to install it in here. And the customers also choose airbag, black airbag. You can see the airbag logo in here black, and the round in here black, and the screw also the black. We have do it the airbag the cover to install it. Okay, that's the do the Audi A4 or S4, A5 or S5, B9, B9.5. This car model, you can choose this style carbon fiber styling with heating or without heating. Just confirm with us. Okay, see you next time.